Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗀. Staying safe on the road isn't just about your driving skills. Adding the right technology to a vehicle gives you more confidence as a driver. Upgrade your old vehicle with these high-tech car accessories for a dramatically different ride. These genius inventions can help you avoid accidents and provide life-saving help in case of an emergency. Thankfully, there is a massive aftermarket of gadgets and add-ons that work with just about any existing vehicle on the road today. Here's our deep dive into the tech you can add to your car to make it feel a bit more Tesla-esque. Number 7. Noco Genius GB30. Noco Genius GB30 Boost Lithium-ion jump starter is ultra-safe and mistake-proof, making battery boosting easy for anyone from professional mechanics to those with little or no technical savvy. Compact, yet powerful. It allows you to safely jumpstart a dead battery in seconds up to 20 times on a single charge and is tested at extremes of -30°C. Manual override feature even allows you boost a battery drain down to 0 volts. The GB30 offers spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, allowing it to safely connect to any battery. 400 pCamps designed for single battery engines up to 6.0 liters from cars, trucks, boats, RVs, motorcycles, ATVs, lawn tractors and more. Recharge personal electronics such as smartphones and tablets, anytime, anywhere via the built-in 2.1 USB output. Note, some vehicles may require boost to be connected for up to 30 seconds before starting. If the vehicle does not start right away, wait 20 to 30 seconds and try again. Do not attempt more than 5 consecutive jump starts within a 15-minute period. Allow boost to rest for 15 minutes before attempting to jump-start the vehicle again. The product comes with a built-in ultra-bright dual LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including SOS and emergency strobe. The high-density Noco Element lithium-ion battery holds its charge for up to 1 year and handles over 1,000 recharge cycles. Noco GB30 is a compact and lightweight jump starter solution, so it can easily store in your car or travel with you in your backpack. It recharges in about 3 hours using the included 12 volts USB car charger and can also be recharged from a laptop or phone charger. Number 6. 𝗁𝗲𝗴𝗲𝗀 Glass. Based on official reports, 22% of all auto accidents happen because of a driver multitasking or low visibility conditions, that is 750 deaths a day worldwide. Automakers are certainly aware of this problem and they are looking for solutions. One of them is head-up displays, HUDs, which can significantly improve the situation. With HUDs, drivers see information they need right on the windshield, which allows them to be totally focused on the road at all times. They no longer need to look away from the road to read dashboard information or check directions on the phone. It allows drivers to focus on the road, keep their hands on the wheel and mind on driving. 𝗁𝗲𝗴𝗲𝗀 Glass is a universal vehicle accessory turning your smartphone into a head-up display, HUD, bringing comfort and safety to drivers all over the world. It contains no electronic components, and the phone is used as an image source, thus, making HUD affordable for anyone. Automotive HUDs are safer than an instrument panel display or a smartphone. And because other solutions are either very expensive, or stuck in the midst of a long and complicated development process. There are 2 simple dashboard mounts, one compact, the other adjustable, allowing for a pretty wide range of the angle. Both mounts are equipped with magnets to firmly hold the cradle with your phone on it. At the same time, you can easily take it off the dashboard and place it back, even without looking. The crux is in the glass. It's the main 𝗁𝗲𝗴𝗀𝗀 glass component, a plastic lens, very lightweight and of low fragility, which means that cuts are unlikely even if it gets broken. The glass has an aspheric shape, which allows to get a 20% larger image while at the same time minimize spherical, chromatic, and chromatic aberrations. In other words, when looking through the curved glass you still see the road as it is, with no distortions. Number 5. Garbage can. Keeping your car clean ought to be easy, but it is not always convenient. Garbage can is the world's first no-spill, non-intrusive trash can for your car. The best way to keep your car and your life clean and clutter-free. It is sized perfectly to repurpose grocery bags. Finally, You can put really used to all those extra plastic grocery bags shoved away under your sink. This product is also environmentally friendly as the raw material used is 100% recycled plastic. Garbage can is a trash can for your car designed to be practical, topple-proof, non-intrusive, and easy to install. Lightweight and slim, garbage can will fit your vehicle perfectly. Whether a family with kids, friends out on the town, an Uber driver with plenty of packs, or someone that's just appreciates a neat and tidy car, garbage can will help you. Garbage can stays in place with 2 small clips so that you can finally keep your car as neat as you want it to be. Number 4, Tri-Light, featuring electric warning triangle, jump starter, power bank, work light and more. Tri-Light leads the way for safety, convenience and quality. It's the 7-in-1 car partner that turns a passive warning into a proactive warning. Also, Tri-Light can jump start at least 15 consecutive times with just a single charge. It can save time and even a lot of money by not having to call for road service or replacing with a new battery. The 3 detachable magnetic light bars are designed with an individual control system for various applications: warning light, bike light, ambient light and more. The Tri-Light Pro features a rotating handle with a strong built-in magnet. It can be used as a standing light, a drop light and a hands-free light for various working conditions. By simply pressing the power button, you can easily switch modes between work light, camp or ambient light, SOS light and warning triangle. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 3, 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀. 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 blind spot mirrors are designed and engineered with the purpose of preventing accidents. To change lanes and merge into highways while watching your car's blind spots. Some of the features of the mirror are unique shape, frameless mirrors for an almost seamless look, protective paint on the back so mirror won't fade with time and protective film on mirrors. It is sized and shaped with best dimensions found on an engineer study for correct blind spot view and for the best ratio of largest image while covering the least area on your door mirrors. Designed to be more efficient and stylish with a design that fits seamlessly. Unique adjustable angle swivel to see a higher or lower image. Number 2, Voder. Voder connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and intelligently controls your music, maps, and messages with just your voice. Say Voder, play James Brown or Voder, navigate home, and Voder's AI will do the rest, playing sound through your car's stereo. Voder will be the best way to give you the magic of Alexa in your car. Ask Alexa to check the weather, play your audiobooks, and much, much more powered by 1000 plus Alexa skills. Voder is designed to be 100% voice controlled so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Voder announces turn-by-turn directions, reads your texts aloud, and tells you who is calling. Using the best of today's speech-to-text engines, you can send text messages confidently. No need to verify your message on a screen. Voder reads them back to you so you can confirm without looking at your phone. Voder's display is auto-dimming for use day and night and is made of low-glare red LEDs to protect your night vision. With visual cues designed to be understood with a quick glance, you can keep your eyes on the road, and your attention where it matters most. Number 1, Uni-Glider. Dentist highly suggests that you floss your teeth daily, to prevent tooth decay. The same goes for the undercarriage of your vehicle. Servicing this area can add years to the life of your vehicle. Uni-Glider is a portable undercarriage washer for vehicles. Made in the USA. It's revolutionizing the car industry. The Uni-Glider's design makes it easy for anyone to use the device. It can be used pretty much anywhere where a garden hose is available. It fits perfectly not only at home, but in a car detailing setting as well. The Uni-Glider is a very versatile product. It's small enough to fit in your trunk, but also extends to over 4 inches to give you the ability to cover more surface area when cleaning the undercarriage of your vehicle. It is designed with durable aluminum and plastic for long lasting. It can be used on any type of vehicle. Whether you drive a high-end sports car, or you're an avid off-roader, the Uni-Glider is for you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.